Have a cordless impact kit. So this comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries and a charger. Really nice, nice batteries. These are 4 amp hours, so pretty big. If we look closer to the actual driver itself, it does remind me a lot of a couple other companies out there. You have your light here that turns on when you click the switch. You have a button here, low torque and high torque. Basically, it just goes high and low, so faster and slower. And I'm actually gonna show that in a minute. You can see this giant screw that we're gonna drive here. It works really good. I haven't had any issues with it. It feels really good in your hands. Carrying cases here. It also comes with some nut drivers, which is very nice. And it comes with these bits and an owner's manual and a box, okay? So I'm gonna show you here the performance of this. I'll pull this out so you can see. I ran this in already. So that's high torque, and then we go low torque. I'm gonna go high torque. And there we go. Now, one thing that can happen is if this isn't good, this can get jammed in there because that's actually a lot of torque. And you can see this comes right out. So I can put that in there. I like that you actually don't have to pull this down to lock it in. So look, when you pull it out, you put that up, pull it, and then to put it in, you just put it in, okay? I know it's a simple feature, but that's an annoying feature that when you put, sometimes you have to put these in on some of them, you have to hold it down, but this one you don't, okay? Batteries come out, batteries go in. Yeah, this is basically a 21 volt cordless driver, and that is a hot bolt. What do you think? Nice impact. Very nice.